Hey, thanks for joining me today. A couple years ago I did a quick video on my Puma White Hunter knife, and I just wanted to do a little bit of a follow-up on that to give you an update. And well, here it is, still going strong. After all this time, it's still a heavy-duty, rugged, reliable, it's a good solid field knife. I can't say enough good things about it. It served me and my family for over 40 years and then some. And yeah, what can you say? Excellent knife. Excellent for any kind of bushcrafting you want to do. Maintains its edge, nice and razor sharp, no problems. Very good knife. But I think its daily use is coming to an end. I'm going to retire it. It does have a huge amount of family sentimental value, so it's going to be semi-retired. I will bring it out on important occasions, special events, and so forth. But it's been replaced by this, the Mora Garberg. I bought this about a year ago, I guess, and I've been using it on and off, mostly more on than off. And I tell you what, this is a really excellent knife. It's just kind of like my Puma White Hunter. It does everything I ask it to do and then some. It's an excellent performer. I love it because it has, it's a pretty standard sheath that comes with it, not a big deal, but it is ambidextrous. And that's important to me since I'm left-handed. So that's a good thing. I bought a dangler sheath for it. Leather dangler sheath to give it a little better home, and of course it's a left-handed sheath, so it goes on that side. Comes with the fire steel, which I really like. So this is a great knife, and again with the fire steel, thing will blow, it'll do some sparks. There's no doubt about that. Rugged, reliable. I paid about 65 bucks for this from a place called Knives of the North on the internet. So Knives of the North, very good people to deal with. I'm very happy with everything I've gotten from them. So there you have it. Very quick, to the point. I love this Garberg. If you're looking for a good field knife, you can do a lot worse than that one for sure. I love my White Hunter. I've loved this for a lot of years. I came into possession of it in 1991 when my uncle passed. I've had it ever since. Still a good knife. I'm sure it'll be going strong for another 40-45 years. So anyway, thanks for joining me today. Have any questions or comments, put them down below. You know the deal. Thank you very much, and be safe.